Anytime now. Race number 10. Waiting for the rider of Steel Creation to mount his entry. All set now, ready to race. Race number 10. And the race is on. Humble Riches fast to begin, followed by Cinderella Kid. Rushing up from the outside, Steel Creation Patron. Racing in fourth, Chevron second last. While Isa Pa is running at the tail of the field. Humble Riches by Alenkena, followed by Steel Creation in second. Cinderella Kid running in third by the alongside fourth, Patron, Chevron, and Isa Pa. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Humble Riches by Alenkena being hounded by Steel Creation in second. Patron racing in third by about 3 lengths, running in fourth by the Cinderella Kid. Isa Pa, second last, while Chevron is now running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Humble Riches by Alenkena, this time followed by Steel Creation. 6 lengths, corner back in third is Patron. 2 lengths, corner back in fourth is Cinderella Kid. Chevron moving up second last, and Isa Pa still bring up the rear. And rounding the far turn, Humble Riches still hanging to that length lead, followed by Steel Creation in second. Patron racing in third by about 4 lengths. Then here comes Chevron as they race the last 500. This one, Humble Riches still hanging to the half length lead. Is Steel Creation on the outside, Chevron on the further outside as they race the last 200. Humble Riches this time by about 2 lengths. Is Steel Creation, Chevron, Cinderella Kid, Patron, and nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Kenneth Causon, number 1, Humble Riches. Second, Chevron goes with Cinderella Kid. Steel Creation, Patron, and